Welcome back to Ingenious Accounts World. Rectification. For the purpose of rectification, we can classify the errors into errors which do not affect trial balance and errors which affect trial balance. We have already discussed about it. Today, we are going to learn about the rectification of errors which do not affect trial balance. Usually, these errors affect two or more accounts, and such errors are also known as two-sided errors. For example, errors of complete omission, errors of principle, etc. And these errors can be easily rectified by writing journal entries. The rectification process of these errors involves cancelling the effect of wrong debit or wrong credit by reversing it and restoring the effect of correct debit or credit. We can explain these processes with the help of some examples. First example, credit sale to Ram rupees 10,000 not recorded in the sales book. This transaction not recorded in the primary books itself. So, we cannot post it to ledger accounts also. It's an example of errors of complete omission. Now, we want to record it. Credit sale to Ram rupees 10,000. The amount is receivable from Ram. And Ram is an asset. Here the asset increased and we can debit Ram's account. Here sales revenue also increased. So we can credit sales account. Then the journal entry, Ram's account debtor to sales account 10,000. Next example, credit sale to Ram rupees 10,000 recorded as rupees 1,000 in the sales book. Here we have recorded the transaction. That means debited the Ram's account and credited the sales account, but for a different amount. Instead of recording the amount as 10,000, we have recorded it as rupees 1,000. A difference of 9,000. 9,000 short debit and short credit. Short debit in Ram's account and short credit in sales account. Now we want to rectify it. We want to rectify the short debit in Ram's account and short credit in sales account. For that, we can debit Ram's account and credit sales account for the balance amount. Here the balance amount is 9,000. Then the rectification entry, Ram account debtor to sales account 9,000. Okay. Now third one. Credit sale to Ram rupees 10,000 recorded as rupees 12,000. Here also we have recorded the transaction, but for a higher amount. We have debited Ram's account and credited sales account for rupees 12,000. Wrong effect. And the correct effect should be Ram account debtor to sales account 10,000. Here Ram's account shows an extra debit of 2,000 and sales account shows an extra credit of 2,000. And we have to rectify it. We want to rectify the excess debit in Ram's account and we have to cancel the excess debit in Ram's account and excess credit in sales account. To cancel a credit, we can debit the same account. And to cancel a debit, we can credit the same account. Here we want to cancel the excess debit in sales account. Excess credit in sales account. To cancel a credit, we can debit the same account. So here we can debit sales account for rupees 2,000. And we want to cancel the excess debit in Ram's account also. To cancel a debit, we can credit the same account. So here we can credit Ram account for rupees 2,000. Then the rectification entry, sales account debtor to Ram account 2,000. Now fourth one. Credit sale to Ram rupees 10,000 recorded in the sales book, but posted to Mohan's account. Here we have recorded the transaction in the sales book, but while posting, instead of posting it to the debit side of Ram's account, we have posted it to the debit side of Mohan's account. Wrong effect. Mohan's account debtor to sales account. And the correct effect should be Ram account debtor to sales account. Here, instead of debiting Ram's account, we have debited Mohan's account. Now we want to cancel the wrong debit of Mohan's account and we have to give correct debit to Ram account. we have to give correct debit to RAM account. For that, we can debit RAM account debtor 10,000. And to cancel the wrong debit of Mohan's account, we can credit the same account. So credit Mohan's account to Mohan's account 10,000. Then the rectification entry, RAM account debtor to Mohan's account 10,000. Last one. Rent paid rupees 2,000 was wrongly shown as payment to landlord in the cash book. This transaction recorded in the cash book, recorded on the payment side of cash book. But instead of recording it as a payment of rent, we have recorded it as a payment of landlord, payment to landlord. Wrong effect. Landlord's account debtor to cash account 2,000. And the correct effect should be rent account debtor to cash account 2,000. Here we want to cancel the wrong debit of landlord's account and we have to give correct debit to rent account. Rectification entry. We have to give correct debit to rent account, then debit rent account. Rent account debtor 2,000. And to cancel the wrong debit of landlord's account, we can credit the same account. Then to landlord's account 2,000. Rectification entry, rent account debtor to landlord's account 2,000. Okay. These are some examples of rectification of errors which do not affect the trial balance. Okay. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.